What is up, you guys? Welcome back. Operation Broken Fang concluded on May 3rd. A new case has been added into the game, and operation drops have been discontinued, at least for now. But what's next? What should we expect in the upcoming months from CSGO? Even though it may not seem like it, there are quite a lot of things to look forward to. Smash that like button or the Steam community market god is gonna come for you. Alright, thank you. The first event that could happen soon is obviously the RMRs getting removed from the shop. A few days ago I made a video covering what I think about the entire RMR situation, so I'm not gonna go into detail talking about it. We don't actually know when this will happen, but it will surely happen sometime between now and the next major. A lot of people are thinking it will happen tomorrow, but we don't actually know that. Next, we're going to look at the Steam database website, because there we can find 3 future events. From the 27th of May till 31st, the Steam Open World Sale will take place. During this event, games with this specific theme will be on discount. Afterwards, we will see the Steam Next Fest, which is just dedicated to new games. Of course, you might not make the connection straight away, but whenever Steam is holding a big sale, that can have an impact on skin prices, because people that are not actually interested in investing, they just sell their CSGO skins to buy orders in order to get certain items on discount, and actually even people who invest do that sometimes. Talking about big sales, the Steam Summer Sale is supposed to be from the 24th of June till 8th of July. The dates may not be exact, but usually this website predicts the summer and winter sales precisely. Sometime towards the end of summer or in the first half of autumn, we're likely to see another case introduced into the game. And that's according to statistics, because usually they add a new case at that time of the year. The new container obviously will have an impact on the skin prices. It will cause somewhat of a market crash, depending on how good the skins are, obviously. It will create opportunities for trade-ups, and it will also bring a lot of players back into the game, trying to get that sweet case drop. Between the dates of October 23 and November 7th, we will be watching the 2021 Major, and this was posted on the CSGO blog. At that time, we will probably have new tournament capsules, which will most probably behave like the capsules before RMR 2020 in terms of how long they will be in the shop. Also, we're finally going to know if the 2020 RMR capsules are truly unique, or CSGO is going to have gold team stickers for every tournament from now on. Towards the end of the year, we are likely to see another operation rollout, as it seems Valve wants to make it a tradition to have one operation per year. This new event is probably going to cause more chaos than the previous one, in terms of market crash. Also, we should be careful because Valve still has the ability to bring back old collections, but if they don't do that, then the price for the Broken Fang collections will jump just like the Shattered Web ones did. Besides the collections, they could also bring back the recoil stickers, as they weren't really under the Broken Fang theme. And with that, I would like to finalize this video, because that is pretty much all I could dig up for you. Let me know if there is anything that I missed, and also thank you for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.